These are the rules of the duel.
You don't bring a knife
To a rocket fight. A most ridiculous duel. Clash Royale.
Popeye's wings got better.
Now available in spicy and mild, sauced and dry rub, bone-in and boneless. With Popeye's wings, you can enjoy bold flavor while controlling the heat.
Love that chicken from Popeye's.
Buffalo Wild Wings' new spicy chicken dippers are the perfect amount of heat. Same thing people say about me. They're like, Hank, you're perfectly hot. Gotta dunk you in that tangy beat-up dip hot. New spicy chicken dippers from Buffalo Wild Wings. Oh, look, I'm bottomless. Just like bottomless apps for $9.99 at Buffalo Wild Wings. That's right, you can get bottomless mop sticks, fried pickles, and so much more for you and all your bottomless friends. Bottomless apps for $9.99.
This is a tsunami warning for the residents of the Myrtle Beach metropolitan area, which is issued by the U.S. Geological Survey and the Myrtle Beach city government. This is not a test. Effective until 6 p.m. for the following cities in Horry County: Myrtle Beach, North Myrtle Beach, Conway, Surfside Beach, and surrounding coastal communities. All residents within low-lying zones, beachfront areas, and flood-prone districts must take immediate action. A powerful tsunami, triggered by seismic activity in the Atlantic, is traveling at high speed toward the Myrtle Beach metropolitan area. Forecast models indicate waves of potentially catastrophic height making landfall within the next several hours. Residents near the shoreline are at extreme risk of life-threatening flooding, dangerous currents, and rapid coastal erosion. Time is limited, and conditions will deteriorate quickly once the first waves arrive. All residents in affected areas are instructed to evacuate before it is too late. Gather essential supplies including medications, water, food, important documents, and emergency kits. Secure your home only if you have time to do so safely. Avoid all coastal roads, beaches, and piers. Follow designated evacuation routes inland and seek higher ground immediately. Keep cell phones charged and stay tuned to official alerts for updates. Evacuation centers are open across the Myrtle Beach metropolitan area, including Conway High School, North Myrtle Beach Recreation Center, and the Myrtle Beach Convention Center. The South Carolina National Guard is actively assisting with evacuation efforts and providing transportation support for residents without vehicles. Please cooperate with authorities and first responders as they work to save lives. This is a matter of immediate public safety. Your prompt action can make the difference. May God help us all.